Yo, what's up, Instagram? It's your boy Junior. I'm right here just chilling in my crib, you know what I mean? I've worked hard. It's been a long day. It's time to ball hard. See, when you make a lot of money, it's important that you spend your money, ball anyhow. When you know you don't depend on your dad's money, you don't depend on your parents' money. That's the life that we're living here, man. I got a necklace on my neck, diamond necklace, gold chains, you know what I mean? We don't do fake, we do real, you know what I'm saying? A lot of you small cats can't even get this. That's what I'm saying, man. I'm enjoying my life. I'm having a great time. Oh, yeah, you are mad. You are doing Instagram lying to people, deceiving people up and down. You are rich. Where is the riches? Which money? Do you have a job? Look at this boy. Oh yeah, give me that phone. Give it to me. Give me the phone, Ojere. Hello, Ojere, Instagram. Don't mind this foolish son of mine that is deceiving you up and down. He does not have shishi. He does not have shimba. This boy is broke. He's living with his father. It is I, Edda Jeremiah, that pays his tuition. I pay for everything in this house. In fact, he's still going to college for 8 years. He has not graduated. He's not living any life. He's not doing anything. Don't let him deceive you. Some of you are looking at other people's profile on Instagram. You are using it to measure your own life. Because people are having 10,000 followers, people are getting 1 million likes, people are doing this, they are doing that, they are going to Dubai today, Florida tomorrow, we are balling on Instagram, and you want to come and go and kill yourself. My brother, my sister, don't come and go and kill yourself, because you don't know what these people are doing. You don't even know if their life that they are living is real. You understand? Oh yeah, you get up and get out of here. You good for nothing, God forsaken, devil child. Oshisko.
Little money in the sky with Abiola. Fine girl, don't worry about dollar. You know that we've been there, you know we done that. I left one Rolls Royce to $1.